We wanted to look at our approach to the new curriculum. We'd identified that we'd wanted to look at the topics that we were teaching. We've worked with partner schools, so we've been able to share our experiences to support other schools then. And it's that collaboration and faith, I suppose, in the staff that they do have the expertise to deliver what's best for the children of Pembroke Dock.
I think the challenges this year have obviously been COVID related, and I think much the same as any school, we've just worked remotely together on teams to keep things moving forward, to keep discussing things, to keep reflecting. But with a greater emphasis on literacy and reading for pleasure, you're kind of opening up greater opportunities for them to develop their reading skills and their understanding and their empathy. It's a great way to engage them not just with the empathy and the experiences of the people in the text, but to develop those learning skills that they're going to need to access the rest of the curriculum.
Having a close relationship with your partner primary schools is absolutely key, and we've built up a relationship over the years which has just gone from strength to strength, and I think the new curriculum has given an amazing opportunity for libraries to get involved, and I'd urge schools to involve their librarian, involve their library and really exploit the resources, because the curriculum really does offer that, the new curriculum.
We have had joint professional learning with us all being together, all hearing the same messages. And then we've each had empathy leads who have met on a regular basis and who have received additional training. The work that we start in the primary sector will be ongoing through to the secondary sector. We had lots of contributions from all of our stakeholders, and when we looked them up side by side, there were many similarities of what they wanted for their children, and that helped us to form our vision really of the way forward that we wanted to take our curriculum.
I've been on the Health and Wellbeing Cluster group, where we've met on a regular basis to discuss ways forward that we can look at developing our health and wellbeing of our pupils, especially obviously with regards to what's been happening in the world lately. We have done training together as a whole cluster, so that started a couple of years ago. We've then met as a lead within the Empathy Project on a regular basis to discuss how we can use the empathy text within our work.
I think you can become quite insular in your own school, so to have that opportunity to share with another school and think, oh yes, we might go down this direction. Until recently we haven't had much opportunities to share good practice and ideas, but now the freedom to go with the children's interests and enthusiasm is an incredibly exciting time.
COVID in some ways has really helped us in terms of working with as a cluster. It's allowed us a lot more opportunities to find working parties that we can work with and meet virtually and in person. We've used things like the Happen survey. That was an idea that came through cluster working that we haven't tried, that we now will try, so that we can think about our new curriculum next year in terms of surveying our children, what's important to our children, so that we do have this common approach in the cluster, but it's actually a curriculum that's designed for our children, the needs of our children at that time.